Action. All right, my name is Ashton Tatum. I am a 27-year-old Alaskan free skier. I have been skiing since I was 16 years old, so about 11 years. Broke my kneecap about 3 years ago and did it again the year after. And so this is kind of my hoorah saying I'm back. Hopefully my knee holds up after this massive thing. But yeah, I wanted to do this like when Jacob Tonson did it. Well, we've got like a giant road gap. I don't know if we want to classify it as a giant. We could probably jump over that guy. 57 feet. The Pythagorean theorem came into play here. A squared plus b squared. But, yeah, I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is like me saying I'm back, basically, you know?
Yeah, baby.
I think I'll be okay. Even if I land like right in that flat spot, which is huge, absolutely huge. Like that's a good 65, 70 feet. I'm still in a downward slope a little bit.
So how long have you been looking at this spot particularly?
This will be 4 years that I've been looking at this cliff in particular. I've always wanted to do it earlier in the season, but just the weather and everything never really works out. You know, and also recovering from injury. Like you don't want to do this when you don't know, I guess, right? Because the thing is, like, if we commit to it, we'd have to commit to it.
Oh, yeah,
we'd
yeah.
build it, and then we'd have to do it.
I'm just curious, what would your line be coming down?
Run up looks pretty great. A little sketch, but this guy's about to send it. Getting her all built up.
Yeah, boys. Yeah, dude, what the fuck?
It's happening.
In 10 seconds. Let me know if you start seeing a car coming. 3, 2,
Did it.
You made it. Cleared it. Cleared it. That's a huge. Whew.
I think I need to change to my white pants. Yeah, of course. Of course. It was either that or go all the way back.
Perfect. Yeah, thank you guys for helping out.
Yeah, thanks for not making me change back into my scrub.
Right?
I can't tell you, like 3 or 4 times, Sean's like, dude, should we leave? I feel like we're making
Well, I didn't want to put any more pressure.
Yeah,
It already was on that, so I was like, dude, can we get out of here?